esithubeni with Kwanele. Danko for choosing us. Siyakhula kancinci man. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment man. Yenze yonke lo way. Yabo namhlanje seniphathele uJoker. Joker all the way from eKhayelitsha Koti. He's a hip hop artist, he's a producer, he's a performer man. Yabo so maske simameleni uJoker. Wisdom.
I'm into deep. Everything is not as it seems. I cannot be deceived. Man, let's phumelela. Everything when the law seeker service, not in follow man. I'm a quelling fan, big on.
Who feels one? Do you think like wenza like le nto uzama ukwenza yona like in terms of like abantu abayireciva ngayo and all that?
Yeah, definitely. I think it did, bro, because eyona wena ndifuna uyenza ngo-Fields was to introduce Joker.
Yeah.
Because prior to that, I used to go by G, and then it was G_RSA. Because nandingabi like gama okay, this is igama enolisebenzisa. Yeah, but yeah, it did a lot, because abantu abaninzi bandazi from Fields, especially the visuals with the makeup, the perfume, the forest.
That was crazy, bro.
Yeah, it took 2 months to shoot.
Yeah, that was crazy.
It took 2 months to shoot.
How did you come up with it, bro? Like, in fact, even while Kameliti Joker, bro, like, how did you decide? Because I feel like, hey, that's
the name Joker. It's not even that deep, bro, because ekhaya ngikhule namajita ethanda umculo, but mostly deep house and house music mostly, and I was the only homie emameli hip hop. So oxlike umyaziwa bayo hayi leza udlala hip hop.
Yeah.
And you know how the term G is always associated with hip hop. But yeah, you a G, wena man, yeah, because igama lami Wanda, dog. So I demand G no Wanda, you know. So niggas were like, no, you a G, wena man, and then it became my name. And then from there, I think I used it. Yeah, I used it in Bulwin when I started rapping. And then when Fields came, that's when I changed my name. I was like, now I'm gonna be Joker, because I had the idea of painting my face on the Fields visuals, having that Joker makeup.
Why though? Like,
I will always say, yeah, indlela yami leya yokuzi-expressa.
Yeah.
Because you know, I don't know about you listen to my songs, but most of my songs are so personal.
Yeah, bro.
I'm always touching on personal shit. And I just had a lot of shit that I wanted to put into music, stuff that I couldn't talk about.
Yeah.
Like, so, yeah, man, you know what? Since the artist, let me put all this shit into the music, for me to heal. You know, so I always took Joker as an alter ego, but no, this is just another character of me, not knowing, but I'm lower. Because everything that he's spitting and saying,
yeah, it's you.
You know, it's my personal experiences. But that was me hiding behind the mic, got the mask, got Joker. But you know, even though I'm saying Zonge's way, go life form, I'm telling Abandu, I'm letting a lot of people in. That was the vibe. But then it became something way bigger than that, man, for me.
Yeah, bro. You speak about okay, like you wake up episode like go 2 a.m., 3 a.m., bro, and you face your, I don't know if you like to say
demons.
Yeah, bro. What do you mean when you say that, bro?
It's just the shit I'll be fighting everyday life. You know, we go through traumas, we go through grief, we go through a lot of stuff. So it's easy, you know, they just, you know, when it's quiet.
Yeah.
When it's quiet at night, ingona zizayo, because during the day, if I'm not at work in the kitchen, then I'm in the studio, or I'm writing something, or I'm shooting something, or I'm always doing something.
Yeah.
But at night,
like it's just you and your thoughts.
All that shit comes with thoughts. Those demons are those thoughts. Yeah,
bro, that's deep, bro. I felt that, bro, because like I also like wake up during those times, bro, and face my demons, bro.
Sometimes don't even sleep, bro. See these figures are scared to say.
Yeah.
You just out here thinking about your shit, but yeah, I think when as time goes, we are quasi control.
Do you think it's a good thing or it's a bad thing, bro?
It's definitely a bad thing, I would say, because especially when you're not ufana now, because I don't talk about my shit,
Yeah.
and I know that I don't talk about my shit. Whenever Ninzi would recommend, but not do this, not do that, not try this, try that, but there's a new way you can't just put it in a bani now. But hey, this
Yeah,
is what
bro.
I'm going through. No one but there's a new way just too personal and you feel, but hey, well, I most of the time feel like zero I can deal with on my own.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, seeking help and uthetha work ran.
Yeah.
So that is why I'm saying I think it's a bad thing. Yeah.
But I feel like it is a good thing, bro, because like you are facing your demons, bro. Like awubaleki faith, yabo. You're facing reality, but okay, yo, like this is me and my thoughts, bro. Like so now I think it becomes easier about ufumane solution if like there's a problem.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, I always come out strong and I always, it's not like they're failure, you know. I
Yeah.
always make sure, but no, they're funda something from whatever situation I go through.
Do you think like music we have healisha in a way, like in terms of like how to express and
Music heals me, bro. It's the only form of expression and gone, but ibalulekile kum, especially when it comes to things like that. Like I say, like I'm so personal. Ingoma inga-trippy as fuck, but you will hear me touching on stuff uqomba yabo ingenaphi ngole
yeah.
type shit.
Yeah.
That's me, like ngumuntu enguye, and I mean it works ekugqibeleni.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
How did you find out about okay, yo, like we are quasi was express at pro music, bro?
I think that was when I started writing, bro, because I always loved Mzulu,
Yeah.
and I've never thought of myself as someone as a recording artist, but I've always loved Mzulu and how people tell stories through Mzulu. And you know, when I always visualize a video through the lyrics. Apha kum enqayi bayo uthi ngo-uthi ingathi ndiyayibona ii-visuals apha kum zale ngoma, even though there's no music video for the song.
Yeah, bro.
Type shit. So yeah, I think yeah.
So you can't
Yeah.
And when did you decide okay, yo, like I'm gonna record a song?
That was 20, not so long ago, 2019. Yeah, yeah, 2019, 2019. I remember I recorded my first song and dropped my first song.
Yeah.
With Bedroom Studios with Noah Too Short.
Yeah.
That's the first homie that taught me Fruity Loops, how does FL work.
Yeah.
Userekhoda njani xa ufuna urekhoda, yintoni i-reverb, yintoni i-EQ, how do you cut what. That was the homie that taught me everything. Like said, nah, nantsi indawo singarekhoda apha kum. Because asifunda sonke esigela mos. These niggas used to record ngefowuni eklasini nge-earphones. Omnye umamele ngapha, omnye umamele ngapha. While thina sikubhala bona benza i-beat. And then break time bazorekhoda kulaa beat bebeyenza eklasini. Sihleli in the same class. Barekhoda ingoma, iphelele ingoma. And I'll be like, njani?
Yeah, bro.
And it sounds so dope. It sounds even, I know equality is not industry standard, but it sounded so dope. And every day I'm like, damn, I'm gonna do this shit.
Yeah, bro.
Xa ndifika eKasi namajita same thing ayarekhod. Nonwayo uhlala apha eKasi but bendingahlali naye kakhulu eKasi because sihlala kakhulu esigela most of the time. And then xa ndiseKasi ndihlala namanye amajita ayarekhoda now. I would only go there just to smoke. But kufika soloko kurekhoda okanye kusenziwa i-beats. So I was just always around umculo nje.
And for sure uyakwenza boma okay, no man, like, this is my destiny. And was it difficult for you like ukwenza ingoma yakho yokuqala, like it came easy?
It came easy, bro. It came easy. I remember I hit up SVG, Sexy Vacation with a Gangster, another homie from Walanga.
Yeah.
I hit him up for a beat, one too many beat, and it was one of those downloaded beats from YouTube, one too many beat. And I already knew the name of the song, Connecting with the Gods. I already knew the title, but I didn't know what I was gonna say. But I knew that I want to say something.
Yeah.
And the title, yeah. And then I wrote a long ass verse from start to beginning. I go hook, I go chorus, I go do.
I was understanding the way that time.
Yeah, me, I just want to record and spit. Nala way by young, go, record,
Yeah.
So yeah, I was there in 2019. One nigga beat they recorded with Unwa, and then we dropped it on SoundCloud. I think it's still there on my SoundCloud.
Oh, that's dope, man. And I was listening to it like Ngoma Yako no Too Short and Lero the Hustler, bro. How did it come about, bro? Leo feels too.
Oh,
I think
Beat Back. That's
the
Beat
last
Back.
song. I
Yeah,
think so.
that's the last song. Beat
Yeah,
Back.
bro.
I always wanted to have Unwa no Lero on one song. Because like I said, Unwa is the homie that recorded my first song. The studio, studio.
Yeah.
Lero is the other home. Living Titangayo, but can promise Kelasiam is a chai.
Yeah.
Chai and Saliba.
Yeah.
Or Lero by a record, a PH doing beats, rhymes in the cut, super in the cut, niggas or Roscoe in the cut. Niggas used to record Joe in Gomu come back say it's to I'm just out here smoking.
Yeah.
But I told myself, except one day
I'm gonna record a song now.
Yes, and I always wanted to have Ulero Nonwa in a song. So when I got that beat from PH is the producer of the entire Fields series from 1 to 2.
Yeah.
We only get a beat on. So when I heard that beat, I was like, nah, this is the one. Because I already had the concept, band from routine on the song. And the chorus, it just came easy. So I told myself, you know what, let me hit up these niggas because and then Lero I think recorded the same year I recorded Nam, and then Unwa only recorded last year.
Like same studio, like
no, not same studio. That was the only song that was not recorded in the same
studio.
Yeah.
Like, oh, okay.
That recorded with PH, and then Lero recorded what Tumeli Vesiake. No, because at some point,
yeah.
So it was hard for bikes solo kusisenda when he won amashit. Yeah, so that's his basis pana ngalo ndlela bayathumela sidibanise. So yeah, yadibana kanjalo ngo.
That was dope, man. It's a beautiful record, man.
Yeah, I'm going for it. I really love that song.
Yeah, man. But I feel like my favorite one, like Hlasela, bro.
Down bad.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, Hlasela, bro. Like, he came with a different flow, bro. Like,
Omnye naye ndizixelela uba one day ndizoze ndibe nayo ingoma noHlasela.
Yeah.
Because enye nje cadence leya.
How did you meet him, Mzit?
Hlasela, I met him through Lero.
Yeah.
It has to be through Lero because I don't know anywhere else in the Timbanda. It has to be through Lero the house.
Yeah.
I was Spana no Lero and then Soloko Sibamba Songa studio. But back then, it was just a matter of Baslale studio. I have a lot of features, I think, in Ngoma Lero, abanye abantu just verses nje panapa. But not my own song and it This is the first.
Damn, bro.
Down Bad is the first. I really love that song too, bro.
Damn. So which one is gonna like Uzotropy visuals like first? Because I know that like you always talk visuals.
Down Bad is the first song to shoot on Fields too.
Yeah.
Down Bad.
Do you already have a concept? Or?
Concept is there. Half of it is there. Not young. Half of it is there.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to that, man. Because I feel like it's gonna be a beautiful record, especially if I push a grand, bro.
Yeah, bro. That's the plan, man. That's the plan. Because I really wanted to shoot before it dropped a EP, but always needs Zenzegi, and I was like, you know what? Let me just drop the music and then we roll out your visuals now. Anyway, I cut it corner because I don't believe in forcing things, man. I mean, it's the universe telling you, but it's just cut. Not that I went there, but for now, it's just cut. Just wait for the right time, and I'm out here patiently waiting for the right time, and people are hitting me up and go to shoot, so it's cool.
Yeah. So Claudia, like we when you are performing, bro, you perform on a face cap, like it's only for visuals.
No, that face I think is only for visuals, and yeah, ezinye izinto nje ezecaleni like photo shoots and stuff.
Yeah.
I had a couple of people where I had one homie of mine, RIP, Artist X. He'd always be
X,
like,
bro.
Exe,
Yeah.
funa ushayela gesi, performa pa.
But it makes sense, bro.
Yeah, yo, X.
It makes sense,
He'd
bro.
be so passionate about that. Say, go performa pa. Kali ngumbu sesebheka ukuthi useza.
Yeah.
Ave bakuse ujoke.
Yeah.
You know how XB is really, really passionate about the music. Everything
Yeah.
into the art form. He's that. Yeah, so he's one homie that always told me, like, say, nah, man, one time you should hit the stage with him. Like, hey, I don't know how people would react to that.
But like ukudibana nabantu with that face okanye like it's only like abantu like oshuta nabo ngelo xesha and then isuse same time like zange bahambe estratweni like
Ndihamba ngayo estratweni only when we're working. I don't
Yeah.
mind.
And
Like,
abantu
shoot
bakujonga
estratweni. Yo, it'd be crazy, bro. It'd be crazy. It'd be crazy, especially in town. Let's shoot in town the last time. Yo, it was a lot.
Yeah.
And again, the shots were supposed to be around the hour busy. Up on the span 5 and 6, sundown type. So yeah, Dinala face. Oh Mama Badala, everyone is just
and don't you enjoy that as the artist, bro?
Yeah, I like it. I really enjoy it because baza kum bandibuze about what are you doing?
Because it's interesting, bro. It's like
and I actually
who's
got
this
a
guy?
couple of followers from Just J from
Because
walking
of that
around
face.
Galawi.
Yeah, bro.
Galamini
And also
one.
I feel like even a voice yakho indlela like or project ngayo like kwingoma zakho it's like you were planning okay yo you're gonna sound like uJoker like indlela like was presenter it's yeah seeing I'm on grand bro like, I don't understand why ungavelu like velu uJoker all the time bro like even
I don't know, I think bangandisuwisha dog because I'm like bakhona imile ngoma bayise hey liwele ibaye ngapopa nyanyanyanyani bangandithini ababantu abaya
because you don't own it.
Because I don't own it. That's the thing. I don't own it.
Yeah, bro, that makes sense.
Hence, I didn't want to have the name Joker with a J.
Yeah.
But at least Bengulachi.
Yeah,
you know?
bro, yeah. You think you're ready for like la fame okay like wonke umuntu xedibana nawe like afuna a piece of you like taking a picture with you and all that
yeah bro, I'm ready for it. Yeah, I gotta be ready for it.
Yeah.
I gotta, because I position myself as a brand like that, you know.
Yeah.
So abantu yindawo endizibeke kuyo mna leya. Abantu when they come up, I need to accept like this is who I am and this is what I am and this is what I do.
Yeah, bro.
There's no other way around it because how are you gonna deal with it?
Yeah.
You wanna shut people down?
Yeah.
It's not gonna work,
It's
bro.
not gonna work.
It's the same people that are out there buying your music or streaming or making sure Babaya share whenever they see your post, you know, because from that walk and around with that photo shoot, that many followers and people out, they always interacting with my post, you know, meaning it's real followers,
yeah,
more than a bundle that I already had, you know, type shit. So I'm ready for it, bro. I'm ready for it all, my G. I just needed to come. I'm here.
I wanna see you in movies, bro.
Yeah.
I wanna see you in movies. I wanna see you making music for movies.
Yeah.
I wanna see you acting. I don't know why, but like I feel like you have that thing fit when it comes to like you have that character, man. Like
yeah, nah, acting is my shit, bro. 10 years of that, 10 years doing drama, performing arts.
Like started from like primary or
from primary to high school. Performing for isigela engingafundi nofunda kuzo. High school yami was a Crystal High School. But naqala bazohlanga ebhasi pha eluhlaza. Bala bus stop iseluhlaza. Baleke uyongena kadrama sithi kwadrama. Baleke uyongena kadrama because i-rehearsals ziqale an hour ago. Ngo-3 and mina ngo-3 ndibamba ibhasi pha eClermont like sir ndileqe down so ndofika ngo-4 down lapho past 4. Baleke nyana I'm like I don't want to miss 4 chord. Thola ukuthi I only miss the exercise because sasijima qho for like an hour xa singena. Sijime like endaweni eyi-1 kubaleke endaweni eyi-1 gym exercise and all that and then the rehearsals start.
Do you think like la way I prepare for like le career yakho music?
Definitely, I would always say that it was preparing me for this because it's way, way easy for me to be on stage. It's way easy for me to hold a mic and be in front of people and talk or perform or whatever. I'm not those. I'm not those people abane stage fright.
Ne?
Thola ukuthi uyoyika xa uphambi kwabantu bamehlo amaninzi. No, I did that a lot, bro. Exercises zazininzi ze-stage fright. Nagqitha kuyo yonke lo way.
That's interesting to say that, because like I feel like looking at you from like good, like
Yeah.
bona la ngathi ngumuntu oyi-introvert.
Yeah, bro, I am. But when it comes to the music, when it comes to the art,
Yeah.
you will see the joker. Yeah, when I'm not on stage, it's about one because I'm out here just in my own bubble. But
Yeah.
when it's time for me to execute, nah, bro, trust.
And it doesn't like come difficult.
No.
Like
It's way easy. Sometimes I don't even rehearse. I just know I want to perform this and this and this and this songs. I listen to my shit all the time. So,
actually, like that's actually very crazy, because like you're the first person like and and I like what okay yeah umamela music park, because even ngobe nifika umamela ingoma zakho like
yeah, I listen to my shit all the time, bro.
yeah.
I listen to my shit. If I'm not listening to my shit, then I'm listening to my homies. And if not my homies, then it's SA hip hop. But
do you criticize yourself like umamela like music park, like?
Yeah. Yes, I say, ish, I could have done this better because you know, you get new experiences every day. I learned how to EQ better than I did on the last song, or I learned how to use a reverb or a delay better than I did. And I'm like, ish, I want to trick but it's already out.
It's already
You know, and it's you can never beat yourself up. In my ways, not a line.
Yeah.
Way, but like is the growth. Yeah, but from that moment we were cool, and now we're no longer there. So on the next drop, you know exactly what to do.
Yeah.
So on and so on.
That's facts, bro. That's facts. Because like I struggle, bro. Like because always done jungle like pictures like as a photographer, bro. I always see mistakes that I could have like done.
Yeah.
And sometimes like I become hard on myself.
It's so crazy, bro, because I was on your Instagram. Wanted your number.
Yeah.
I was on your Instagram because when Funuli utata link and send him for I say you wait before he hits you up.
Yeah.
Your shit is fire, bro. Kukho le photo shoot ubusayenza nale tsotsi ngibana Hlumelo Zulu.
Yeah.
That's nice, bro.
Yeah.
And again, I think it comes with being an artist mfethu la way you criticize umsebenzi wakho.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
I think la way because umna on my end can't burn the fault because I don't know shit about photography. Detach a P. When the expert, you definitely gonna see hey, like I say, I'm like, hey, when I probably
nah, bro, I just
yo, let's you know,
yeah.
So you have to be hard on yourself for you to grow.
Do you think like zonke artists zinje abanye like mhlawumbe like ezinye artists are just perfectionists? Because I feel like I'm a perfectionist.
Hey, bro, I think everyone is like that.
Yeah.
Because you are selling a product at the end of the day, you know, and you have to review it. You know, when often we review before the world judges you, because you know, and you're gonna be comfortable.
Yeah.
So look the way you want. If you don't judge yourself or you don't go you always wanna be that boxy one.
Did you criticize yourself on feels too?
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
Like which song did you feel like okay you could have?
The mixing and the mastering, and I will always criticize myself when it comes to the mixing, the engineering, because you sound as clean and as clear as possible, you know, more than anything, more than you just want to be audible enough for Babandu. you don't want to give abantu a hard time xa bemamela umculo wabo ukhomba yo ndiyazinyanzela ngoba mandiyimamelele out because uyayiva uba hayi ihlangane le ii-highs nee-lows azibhalansi, ii-mids ziphezulu and all that. So I did criticize myself ngose ndiyidrophile album like eish ngithathe some more time and do this and do that and do that. But if you take some more time to do this and do that and do that, you're always gonna do this and do that and you know. So I mean, at the end of the day, you're gonna have to let it go. You're gonna have to let it go.
And after I was criticized, like there's like a favorite circle, like EP on like which one would you say it's your favorite record?
Favorite record is number 7, Misfits. Misfits number 7. That's my favorite record. I love that song.
Like, is it because sometimes like mixing and mastering like uyenze crime kuyokanye the artist ospanning nayo
ndindodwa kula ngoma, and I think it's the experience, man. It's how I enjoyed myself when I was making the song. Not the record, not the mixing and the mastering nayo, but when I was recording the song is how I was enjoying myself. Like I can actually bend my voice a lot and do a lot with my voice. From Misfits.
That's dope, bro. That's dope. So like there's the artist like Ospane Outman, okay, like an artist, it was my favorite feature, like who feels too.
Favorite feature, Down Bad with the Hlasela. That's my favorite feature. Number 6. Favorite feature.
Why, bro? Because I thought like was mhlawumbe like le ono feature ratio on too short, no already has like the last song.
That's my favorite song too, but not favorite feature, because I always had I have a lot of songs with them. I have a lot of songs with Ulero. You know, it's me and them getting on a record is nothing new. But me on Hlasela on the record is something new. And it's my own song. That's new for me. And I always wanted a song with Hlasela.
Did you tell him okay I'm gonna rap kanjani umjita kula song kula track kanye?
No.
He decided that he's
gonna I knew uba uzawungena njani uHlasela, and I knew uzawuhlala nqa perfect because I know him. I've studied his music. I've studied how he raps. I was like, you know, you hear how Down Bad is. Never thinking twice about my price, you can take a hike. I needed something different from that. I needed something different from that, and yeah, Hlasela was that person for me. As soon as I got that beat and recorded that verse and hook, I thumela kuye same time. I was like, I know bangubani ndimfunayo apha. And I finally have the song. Thumela kuye. I think the following weekend he was at the studio to record.
Dope. And how was the process? It seems like very work ethic like a crazy down.
Yeah, now Hlasela works. Hlasela works. When it's time for work, he works. When he's there for work, fundini masenzele way. Nakuxelela masenze kaloku mfo ixesha kaloku. Hlasela ba uthe ndakuxelela ngalamini shoot. Wathi ngo-12. What happened na? Wayengena phone, wayimoshekele ifone yakhe. So he's chatting with me ifone ye-mate yakhe. He's like ngo-12. Mosho 12:11. So bendisehla apha eteksini apha ngakuwo apha endleleni ngo-12. Ungakulinga uliphose ke la xesha. Nje clean ngalalani ungakulinga uliphose la xesha. Because sobhidana ndizokwazi banza kubamba. 12 ngqota ndimepha endleleni nasi iteksi yamisi yahlika uTafela front seat. First thing uyabona ben10 kungubani ixesha ndikhupha ifone yami 12. I'm like, bro, this nigga ayidlali when it's time to work. Ixesha losibhana nakhona isipide zazicala intwende.
But it must be nice to work with Mdonjalo.
Yeah, someone that knows exactly what they want, what they're doing. Clean. Ayitsale notsala. Hlasela nguye nomuntu we-backups when he's recording a song. Backups ne-adlibs ezininzi. Awusozirekhode kakhulu. You won't spend a lot. Yazi uzothini pha, and he knows how he wants to sound, and uzokwenza exactly the way afuna uyenza ngale ndlela afuna uyenza ngayo. And izawuphuma ngalo line. Acela bandiqabile mna ngo. I'm that type of person ozorekhoda main take supporting, backup, ad-lib, another ad-lib, thola ukuthi ne-takes eziyi-5
Yeah.
in one verse or whatever. It takes exams eziyi-5. That nigga will probably have just one. Bayeke ta ba mhlambe khona into ofuna uyenza usu-duplicate le wenze le nto lento ufuna uyenza. Akuxelela bagqibile kunangozi isibhani sami esi.
Yeah.
And it's clean, dog.
Yeah, bro.
Clean work, straight to the point.
Yo, that's so
Ayidlali ngexesha lami, alidlali ngexesha lami.
Yeah.
Two, even when it's time for events, same thing. Tasela will be at the venue an hour before islot sakhe.
Yeah.
Manje uthola ukuthi event iqala ngo-3, uyofika ngala 3 ngqo. You know
Yeah,
how
bro.
events be. Aziqali ngala 3 ngqo. Yazi kuba khona amaginqigeni khona ukuthi uqalwe an hour later. Tasela ihleli pa. Ibambile xa bafunda ndize apha
Ngizosebenza
ndizokwenza
Ayitsho
le
la, ngumsebenzi lona futhi.
umsebenzi qa
Yeah, that's
umsebenzi
beautiful,
isibane
bro.
dog,
That's
9 to
beautiful.
5.
Yeah, bro. If I feel like if singacinga kanjalo sonke as artist, bro, like singapusha nyanyani, bro.
Yeah.
Like singapusha nyanyani. And like I feel like iKhayelitsha, bro, it has a lot of talent, bro. A lot of talent, bro. And also like talking about the talent in Jayam. I want to go from you, like who's your top 5 when it comes to like hip hop, Khalid?
When it comes to hip hop, when it comes to rappers, top 5, in no particular order. Lero the Hustler, Hlasela, Not Too Short, Air5 ngalokuqala,
Yeah.
being TMT, Thuli. I don't know if you know Thuli, TMT RSA. She's a female rapper from Makaza, Hlala Khayelitsha. Fire as Cadence. The raps, pen game, cadence, style sakhe manje is just she's different.
But I feel like most female rappers, like especially up in Cape Town, they kind of sound like the same, like in a way.
I don't think it's a matter of female rappers, but you know how music evolves. Uyambona umculo uyachinja mos. Kubakho izitayile ngezitayile. And as soon as kukho esa style siyi-one siphophayo, everyone will want to be on that style because it's the in thing now, you know.
Fair.
Sound ilapha ngoku. So
fair.
this is what we're doing. Uthola ukuthi itayela jikeleza 1-3 years later, another upcoming artist pops ngesinye style ezi-heavy. Everyone else is wanna be on that style because that is the direction the sound is taking. Not that bazonke ezinye izityle don't matter okanye azikho. They are there and they do matter, but ngoku this is what is hot. This is what the wave is at. And
that's fair.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's that. It's not a matter of sound ngendlela eyi-one, but it's just style siso esikhoyo ngoku, and everyone just wants to be on the wagon.
Well, that's beautiful, man. And then when I like in terms of like your vision, go Joker, like what's the direction? Where are you taking Joker?
Me, bro, I'm taking Joker globally. I wanna do everything, bro. If I can get back on stage as an actor, I would do that as well. If I can beg modeling agencies, I can do that. I don't mind. Mculo, everything. I just want to do that has to do with the art, with this brand. I want to put it out there more than anything. And I think I'm already doing that, but it's just a matter of time, man, and more work and being consistent.
Yo, bro, why are you telling I art? Like, cause I've throughout the conversation here, like you always mention art. You're not mentioning like just music, only like art, like.
Yeah, man, I feel like it's the art helps us express ourselves.
Yeah.
In different ways, in ways we never thought we could, or in ways we never thought someone can.
Yeah.
You know. So I feel like ibalulekile, man, and for me it keeps me sane, bro, and it's been a part of me for iminyaka. You know, it's been a part of my life for years. From my performing what years to umculo. At some point group just a group here at some point that's directing ngokwethu, making plays, writing poems, coming up with dance routines, drum beating, yonke la way. So I think isegazini. I would say.
Would you say like it's easier when like who's express it through art than like how people normally express themselves? Like
Yeah, it's way easy for me to express myself through the art, through the music. Number one form of art and is expressing how is the music, and then the events, obviously. But yeah, the music is way easy for me to do that than bandithiwa ndizawuthetha nabantu.
yeah.
Why ndizawuthetha nomntu about how I feel okanye what I'm going through, or because ezinye iiway man are too deep and too personal, and you're like, hey, even though you're my homie or whatever, ezinye izinto, you can't just tell nabani na.
Yeah, it
Not
becomes easy
not
xa
nabani
sithetha
na, but
music.
yeah, umntu xa ive phaa ngalaa ndlela uyibeke ngayo uyidecorathileyo, at least ingabi blunt ngalaa line, yeah.
Well, that's beautiful, man. That's beautiful, bro. And when it comes to going work like events, if you like, tell me about these events ozenzayo, bro. Like
Oh yeah, Catch a Vibe. Catch a Vibe is the name of the events that we do. Events company events. I don't know what people call it, but yeah, we had Catch a Vibe. We started 2021. Yeah, 2021. So Catch a Vibe is under Senklen Entertainment. Senklen Entertainment is, I would say, the label that I'm under. Yeah, we formed Senklen Entertainment. Well, it was formed way back then, but Sapin as I was up in 2019 when I started recording.
so
Me
when about like
at Senklen, it's me. Not too, way back then it was me, Not Too Short, SVG, my homie from Galanga, Mko, my other homie from Maitland, Tony, Nosisa.
so nonke zi-artist okanye like there's also like
sonke sizi-artist okokuqala. More than anything, we all rappers. Eyona way yasidibanisa is the music. And then from making the music, we saw about, hey, we don't have platforms to perform lo mculo. Platforms are there, but asaziwa, and we're starting out, and no one is gonna want to book abantu abangabaziyo that are starting out.
Yeah, bro.
So the idea I had was, let's do our own events, Catch a Vibe.
Bro.
First, I think then it was called Come Catch a Vibe with Us or something like that. Come Catch a Vibe with Us. Yeah, our first event was at Collab 22, Observatory. So we partnered with Blessed Eye at Blessed Eye Studios. Yeah, because the whole idea was for him to capture footage na yonke way, and so that people see about KCI, this is what we're doing, and this is what we are about. We need a proof about, okay, Zitaba, we're doing this, so and so. And then we took a break in 2022 and started again in 2023. Came back as Catch a Vibe. We rebranded. Catch a Vibe, changed logos, did Yongela way. And then instead of, because Blessed Eye on the first show, we outsourced him. Instead of outsourcing him, Sambiza to join us. Catch a Vibe. Not Senklen Entertainment.
Okay.
Catch a Vibe. Sambiza maka join Catch a Vibe. Let's be part of Yonke Liwe Sonke. Everyone has a stake. Everyone we're planning Yonke into everyone's decision, or everyone's whatever. Sonke si sonke. I agree. But I could ghost in it because it was something that he always wanted to do now. And wabona ba no manpower ikhona man, so singakwazi ihlanganisa yonke le way. And then we started with the events because we just wanted platforms for Tina and our own people, not just Tina Car, like Mabangani bethu, Olero, everyone else that we thought, like, say, these people deserve a spot, the spotlight for Baba Bonagale, because we're just too dope, we're just too dope. Mgolo is just on another level, man, and people don't know about this, so people need to know about it.
And it must be frustrating to like who drop a beautiful music and then you don't have like platform to go and perform the music.
That's that was the frustration. Like, hey, as performing not perform, Joe, doing the music, cope and all that is cool, but so a stage,
bro.
Perform the way shade nabantu ngenye indlela, because seeing the artist performing umculo uqala umamela is a different experience than just listening to it on Spotify. you know. So
Yeah, bro.
yeah, we really wanted that. And yeah, man, Catch a Vibe, we're doing the events each and every month end, last Saturday of the month, if not Sunday.
Yeah.
And we put on basically anyone and everyone, that wants to be part of
Movement.
the movement. And
Mm.
eyona way I would always say, eyona way ibalulekileyo is support, man. People need support more than anything. The artists need support more than anything.
Yeah, bro.
The,
I think
if the
you guys need
events
platform, bro.
the events themselves need support more than anything. It's a vice versa type of situation.
Yeah, bro.
Support the events so that the events can also support you, type shit. Because yonke le ibalulekile. All these elements is balulekile. We need to push each other ngala line. If we really really want the industry as a Cape Town sithetha ngayo for it to boom okanye yenzeke, we really need to push each other ngala line, and not because you hear people about, there's a lot of cliques in Cape Town, obani bapha, obani bapha, obani bapha. And that's not really the case, bro. It's just that people are just comfortable with doing things nabantu babo. We're just comfortable in our small little boxes with the corners sikuzo. And yeah, people just don't find ibalulekile man, pull me up and reach out to one. But it's happening. Well, it's
bro.
happening slowly but surely. It's happening.
I'm loving indlela esipusha ngayo mna.
You are grand, bro. There's a lot of shit happening for Cape Town.
Yeah.
It's really nice to see, bro. It's really really nice to see.
Do you think like we need like a platform as because I feel like for me I feel like the Cape Town industry waiting as a platform more than anything, because the talent is there, bro. Like in terms of the artist, like hip hop artist, Gomu, like house or whatsoever, bro. Zininzi and Zinzwem, but the platform now, like to showcase like the talent. I feel like it's not there. Like yeah, sure. That what can we do to make sure okay?
Like I said, bro, we just need to continue supporting each other, bro, because ayikho enye indlela esizokhula ngayo, ayikho enye indlela your favorite ezongibona ngayo mna. Favorite yakhe ingakwazi uba wena ukhona ibe iqoma yeah, I know ukhona and unswebu and ndiyakumamela, but ingasamamele something else without you plugging i-favorite yakho ngam, ayizundazi bani umuntu okhoyo. And I think that's the only way i-industry ezokhula ngayo, is to just indibano,
sisibane sonke,
kusetyenziswane. And lo way it doesn't have to be ndifake engomeni yakho, ndithini, or do this for me, or do that for me. It's ezinye way just happen organically, akho need uba sibe siziplana sibe sithini. So I think that's what we're doing with Catch a Vibe, putting everyone together, from DJs, DJs, amapiano, from spoken word poets to vocalists and rappers. We always try and make sure
yeah. So like I wanna come with like those events, bro, like and shoot the content, and it's so difficult for me to go to events, like, because I feel like let's set up a grand for them, like just study no. But I'm trying to push myself and go, okay, maybe events.
I think you should, bro. That was something I was gonna suggest to you, for that you should come. Because I feel like you would reach a bigger audience not audience. I think of many artists needs in one space than just having one conversation in one day.
Yeah, bro.
In one day you can have like 10 conversations, because now that artist is always love.
Yeah, bro.
Always love. Yo, let's talk about this. What do you think about this?
Yeah,
in one day, put on a content for like a month.
Yeah, I'm like, I want to push myself, but I don't want to lie, but it's so difficult, bro. I'm trying to protect my image, man. Like
I understand. So I guess black by age. You never know uba kuse ungafika kunjani kwezi black
Yeah, bro, and abantu bazondireceiva kanjani.
yeah, I know sonke sipha, but kwesi space sikuso ngoku it's very critical uba masibe phandle.
Yeah.
We need to be outside more than anything. Ibalulekile leyo masibe phandle.
When is your next event?
Next week Sunday.
Next week Sunday.
Yeah.
There's a next week Sunday. I'm trying to think what can I pull up now. I'm not promising anything.
It's cool,
yeah,
bro. It's cool.
yeah.
It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
Next week Sunday from 3 p.m. till probably around 11.
Even
just pull up Artesian on Prayer town.
And pray, Artesian on Pray. Okay.
It's next to, I don't know where I live on Pray.
Not sure, bro.
Rooftop
sure.
on Pray.
Yeah, I know Rooftop.
Yeah, same street. But we'll try to left.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna try and pull up, man. I'm gonna try and pull up and take content, bro. Like for real, man.
Yeah, now we're working, bro. We're pushing, we're operating, trying to make sure, but we're keeping the culture alive. Because we have limited resources, you know. There's a lot we want to do. There's a whole lot I want to do.
When are we dropping the visuals?
For
Phase 2. Like I feel like I haven't seen like the visuals as names for Phase 2.
There's not even one visual.
Exactly. When are you dropping? Because I know you like visuals, bro.
There's not even one, but yeah, the first video I'm gonna show is down bed with Hlasena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw Ilendugi clip Hlasena, like I think he was promoting like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fire. Hlasena is fire, bro. But that's the first video I'm gonna shoot. And then cause I don't know, man. I feel like before I wanted to drop the album, I wanted to shoot. After I dropped the EP, I wanted to shoot. But ziwe ezininzi ezenzekile and I'm doing umuntu othanda ufasta izinto. If ayenzeki ngalo line ngifuna yenzeke ngayo, then I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah,
I mean, not that I'm hard-headed or anything, or I don't compromise or anything. I do, but I don't compromise too much on my vision.
Yeah, bro. That's very important. Like,
yeah, not too much. So if I yenzeki ngoku, it's fine. I'm willing to wait because I know that if it's in my head, I phansi in my phone and in my notepad, then trust and believe that is something that I'm gonna do. Nobody ends it 2 years later or 5 years later. That is something I'm still gonna execute.
That's dope.
Yeah.
That's dope. Do you always like write it down?
Yeah.
Is that important?
Yeah, for me it is because I need to wake up and read that shit. But hey, this is what you still need to do. And visualize it and then bring it to life.
Damn, bro. You speak like that's literally me, bro. Like in everything I do, I always visualize, bro. Like I feel like I don't know how to express myself so like or like one.
Yeah.
It's always like a vision, bro. I visualize and then the ends again. Bro. Yeah,
that's the only way, bro. If you see it in your head, it's way easy for you, mama. It's like recording a song.
Tell me about the process, Kagat, like of recording yours, like making a record
when you go to a studio or in front of the mic, I already know what I want to sound like. Voice projection, I'll switch up in the my voice.
You already have a beat.
Corner, corner. The only way is there. I already know about if you want to sound like John. Yes, but this is how I want to sound.
And you know about Tetanga.
And if it doesn't come like that, then I'm gonna keep trying until it does.
So how long does it take like one for you?
One can take like from scratch.
Yeah.
From scratch. Tolokuti banda ngene studio ndifumana ngoku beat. And then I have to write your video more or less 30 minutes. Because I probably listen to a beat for like 5 to 10 minutes is enough.
And for any beat like was it like we feel?
For me, melody, bro. Number one, melody.
Bro, I fucks with melody.
It's a synth, is those keys, those guitars, those harps, and those zonke za instruments. Zonke funa zingicapturishes away, and then it's gonna be easy for me to. There was of money beat ndiqale ngehook, ndiqale ngeverse.
Yeah.
Kodwa nayi hook. I
Yeah.
don't know how the chorus is gonna sound, but I know uba verse 1 verse 2 lo ndimbhalayo chorus ndizayidibanisa. Ndiyakwazi uqala back nje ekugqibeleni, ndiyakwazi uqala ekuqaleni nje. It depends uba yintoni eqale yafika ngala mzuzu. And I'll always follow that lead.
And then class Dibanis, do you like do that yourself, or like you just give it to someone else like Dibanis?
I do everything myself, bro.
Yeah.
First thing I told myself when I came up is to teach myself young.
Yeah.
From making the beats, from mixing, recording myself. Now younger like and this school some YouTube. I never went to school for it. Everything is on YouTube. How to make your beat, you just search how to make a beat, how to record the song, how to basically any profession. Well, I don't want to say profession because I want to slay me for that. I want to say profession because people go to school for years. But this way on YouTube, editor, go how to edit a music video.
Yeah, bro.
How to cook carrot cake.
Yeah.
How to it's there on YouTube. So I told myself, if YouTube will happen on my PC, and then I just bought myself a mic, a Smiley mic. That's when I own UA basically, mixing and mastering. And then yeah, I just fell in love with mixing and mastering, processing vocals more than anything. I hear Wenzi beats. And then I just did that. But now I don't have umculo mix or mastering because ndiyaqala. You know, so
trust like
not that abantu abakanditrust because umna ndandizixela uba ndiyifundela mna le way for umculo wam.
Yeah.
But later fucks with how I mixed. I was like, nah, you my go-to guy. So I did a couple of his projects on his come up. I don't know, but a couple of his projects, maybe 3 or 4, I don't know.
And also, do you think like or emotional? Because I was listening to music and like
I am, bro.
Deep, bro.
I am, bro. I'm a very emotional person, dog.
Yeah.
I am, but there's a way, you know. You don't show most of the way, Jane and John Wayne and that's why you will only hear it on the music, you know, because Sigwesi space, Siguso, Sobo rapper, you have to be hard, you know.
Generally, as a man, we were taught, okay, we have to be,
you know,
you can't be
in a way when it comes to rap, because you know, you can't be a soft rapper. Only a rapper soft rapper, you know. So yeah, I am, dog. I am, and I will win in droning highly, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it easy for you to get vulnerable through like music? Right?
It's way easy. Way easy, bro. This shit comes easy from now, and it's easy for me to tell my story on a beat or whatever I'm going through on a beat than to be out here talking about.
I feel like I'm not by artist, bro, by a rapper, bro. Like you can just instead of like if like our phone like okay yeah like a soft, you can just make a song and people are gonna love that song. Like can it like if we like express like soft about tree conversation, like people are gonna tell you shit, bro. Who's it? You know and it's easy like when they track bro, like who's gonna damn I relate to this shit, bro.
That time when I'm like, yo, that was my therapy. I feel better after that. Off to the next.
That is nice, bro. that is that I feel like that is a gift, bro. Like like you can
yeah. Honestly, bro. We can't take this. It's like a calling, man. It's like a calling, and obviously you're gonna find false prophets and all that. Yeah, because Bakona one they just do it because I can do it. Someone else can do it, or I have the resources to do it. You know, you can tell and feel that the soul is not into it. You know, you're not feeling the soul in the music. You're not feeling. Yeah, now you're just feeling what they're selling. You know. Yeah.
And that's very important. Okay, like we soul too.
Music needs to carry soul, bro. Music needs to carry soul. I don't know if I think AKA said something about when you're an artist, you are, and I think naye wayibona somewhere else, xa uyi-artist you are basically a journalist. You need to tell the stories of the people around you and reflect the times that you are in. Hence he was so political on his music. It was easy for AKA to be like, yeah, you call out the ANC and all that.
Yeah.
Even
bro.
though he fucks with them, yeah, man, nah, this is them. But when it's time for calling them out, he will definitely call them out.
Yeah, bro.
You know.
Yeah, bro.
So yeah, man, ibalekile the way great, and your soul needs to be in it for you to get across. Look at Lero the Hustle's music. So much soul.
Yeah, bro.
So much depth.
Yeah, bro. Yo, Lero, is dope, man.
You know,
Lero is dope.
He
man.
carries a lot of stories as a Lukshin. A whole lot of stories. It's just things that are happening around him. And it's easy for him to.
And the last Balisanga, it's so beautiful.
Beautifully put together, bro. Beautifully. So I think it really is important for you to have that soul in the music. Otherwise, why are you even doing it, bro? Well, I understand. Sometimes for some people it's just for entertainment. Some people it's to make money. Some people it's for gain clout or whatever, right? Whatever wave. But we will always tell.
Yeah.
We will always tell. Maybe the fans won't, but we will always tell.
Yeah, bro. And what do you think about those people like who just doing it for the clout?
I mean, into yabo, bro. You know, you can never say bayi wrong leyo yenzayo kanye ayiyo leyo yenzayo. Who am I to judge?
Yeah.
You know, who am I to judge? Imagine if someone could come and judge me ngomculo wami. Well, I'm out here telling my real life stories, but this is what I went through. This is what I'm going through. Trauma yamle.
Yeah,
and you
bro.
come up and judge me ngalo way.
Yeah, bro.
You know, so I would never judge no one. Do what you do, my nigga. If that shit makes you happy and keeps you sane, then it is what it is, bro.
Yeah, sure, bro. Thank you for inviting me, man.
No, hey,
like,
I
really appreciate, bro. Like,
bro,
and have this conversation, man. Because I always see you like through like Lero, Papizo, Hlasela, but I think Zanga Sahlala like
so,
have this conversation.
Never, bro.
And I appreciate this moment.
Oh, bro, I'm not.
Like, so big ones out on it. Okay, yo, like,
so
with bedroom, yeah, and had a conversation with the like, one.
Yeah.
And I feel like you are going there, bro. Like,
no way,
we are going
for it. I mean, there's no other way, bro. The only way is up. The only way is up, bro, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm gonna appreciate abantu abanjengani that, because I think the first time I saw Kwanele, Estubeni Kwanele was on TikTok with Chef Kizzy Purkayes.
Yeah,
I think that's the first one I saw. You were working extra twin.
Yeah, it was the first. It was the second one. I think.
Yeah.
Second episode.
Oh yeah. So I caught up. Because I've been following since then. I've been following since then. As long as conversations you have with everyone. Lasela Lero. What's that modeling? Abinati. Yeah. Everyone. I've watched everything. So I appreciate the fact that you take time out and go, because you're not getting paid for this shit.
No, bro.
No one is paying you for the day, but you take time out and go and interview these people. You're pushing the culture, dog.
Yeah,
you're pushing the culture ngendlela yakho kwazi ukwenza ngayo, and ibalekile.
Yeah, bro.
Because no one is doing it. Do you know anyone that's doing what you're doing
right now
in Cape Town? That goes around randomly in jail.
Nah, bro.
Visits people and just.
I think most Abandaba this way they only interviewing like people who I would say already have a clout.
Yeah.
Way, like.
Yeah. Hence I'm saying we need you.
Yeah, bro.
Because, like you said, there's a whole lot of talent.
Yeah.
Down.
Yeah, bro.
You know.
Yeah.
So you documenting this and showing people back, say there's these people so is very vital.
Yeah.
Ibalekile lo way, and ngulayini man, ngulayini. Ndiyaqina nami.
I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it.
Around for it.
Yeah, you know, appreciate ukubona uthetha kanje nje.
Yeah.
It's dope, bro. It's dope. Thank you so much, man. It's too big.
You know what it is.